If you are trying to manifest money by visualizing or repeating positive affirmations, you are wasting your time. It's doing absolutely nothing. Look at it like this. If you have a broken bone, you don't fix it by taking a warm bath. You need a physical cast. Manifestation is the exact same way. It's not about good vibes. It's about a direct biological shift. The more you sit there desperately wanting money, the more your brain actually panics and pushes it away. To fix your bank account, you have to stop chasing it. You need to use a mechanical rule that forces your brain to switch off the panic loop completely. Now, why does this happen? It happens because your brain is actually an electrical organ. Every single time you open your banking app, see a low balance, and feel that sudden, heavy drop in your stomach, you are sending a massive electrical signal of fear straight into your subconscious mind. You think you are trying to manifest abundance, but your brain doesn't care about the words you are saying. It only cares about what you are actually feeling. And right now, it feels pure survival panic. It is a double-edged sword. The more you desperately need the money to pay your bills, the more your brain stays locked in that panic loop. And as long as your mind is broadcasting panic, it is completely blocked from seeing the real-world opportunities, the sudden ideas, or the clean breaks that actually bring wealth into your life. You are literally paying the system with your attention to stay in the exact same spot. To fix this, you have to bypass your logical mind completely. You cannot talk your way out of financial stress. You have to use a mechanical rule that slips right past your daily worries while your brain waves are naturally slowing down. Think of it like a fish tank. If the water inside the tank is completely muddy and toxic, the fish are going to get sick. You can feed them the best food in the world, and you can try to treat their symptoms one by one. But if you do not clear the water, nothing changes. Your mind is the exact same way. Your thoughts are the fish food, but your deep underlying emotional state is the water. Right now, your financial water is muddy with anxiety. We need to clear it out completely in one clean shift. And the fastest way to do that is with a direct command that shuts down the panic loop instantly. To understand how to reverse this loop, look at a fascinating study done on human biology. If you take a healthy person and put them on complete bed rest in a hospital room where they do not move a single muscle for weeks, their bones will actually begin to decay at a shocking speed. In fact, a bedridden human loses bone density faster than an astronaut floating in zero gravity in outer space. Why? Because human tissue requires physical weight, force, and motion to stay alive. Without movement, the body assumes it no longer needs its skeletal structure, so it literally starts dismantling itself. Your financial life operates on the exact same law. Most people are living a completely sedentary financial lifestyle. I am not talking about how many hours they work at their jobs. I am talking about their minds. They sit in the exact same low-level worry day after day. They check their bills with the exact same posture. They look at prices with the exact same sigh. Because their thoughts and emotions are completely stagnant, their wealth blueprint literally decays. The universe assumes they no longer have the capacity to carry heavy amounts of capital, so the financial pipeline naturally dries up. To build financial density, you have to introduce emotional motion. You have to move your inner state away from passive waiting and shift it into aggressive, neutral confidence. Think of it like a fish tank. If the water inside the tank is completely muddy, green, and toxic, the fish are going to get sick. You can buy the most expensive fish food in the world. You can try to treat every single sick fish one by one. But if you do not clear the water, nothing recovers. Your physical actions are the fish food, but your underlying emotional state is the water. Right now, your financial tank is muddy with daily survival anxiety. You are trying to manifest new money into a toxic environment. It cannot survive there. We need to clear the water out completely right now with one single sharp movement. To clear the water and reset your internal baseline, you must issue your first structural directive right now. Speak these 4 simple words out loud into the room. My word is unbreakable. Do not say it like a desperate wish. Do not say it with hope in your voice. Say it like an absolute law of nature. I want you to pause right now. Go straight down to the comments section below, locate the text line, and type it out clearly. My word is unbreakable. Do not skip this step. When you physically type those words, you are telling your subconscious mind that the era of chasing and doubting is officially over. You are anchoring your frequency into the stone. Put it in the comments right now, lock it in, and let's move directly into how to apply this to your immediate finances. Now, just like different tissues in your body require entirely different types of physical inputs to grow, different financial situations require entirely different mechanical steps to unlock. You cannot use a generic law of attraction routine to solve a sudden crisis. Just like you cannot use a casual walk to build heavy bone density. You have to know the specific levers for each distinct type of capital. Let us start with the first vector, the immediate emergency influx. This is when you need a sudden non-linear sum of money to clear an immediate, real-world deadline, like an unexpected bill, rent, or a sudden expense. The worst thing you can do when an emergency hits is to take physical action born out of panic. When you scramble, apply for random extra shifts, or pace the floor wondering how to survive, you are putting a chaotic, high-stress force on an already unstable structure. You are making the water muddier. To manifest emergency capital fast, you need the exact opposite of motion. You need an emotional hold. You must contract your focus and lock your nervous system into absolute, total stillness for 30 seconds while looking directly at the bill or the problem. If you look at an unpaid bill, your pulse should not rise. You must look at the numbers, drop your shoulders, and completely freeze your reactive panic. This intentional non-resistance creates an immediate break in the loop. It tells your subconscious mind that the threat has zero power over you, which immediately clears the static and opens the pathway for an unexpected solution to arrive. Let us move to the second vector, your structural long-term income stream. This is your recurring revenue, your monthly intake, the baseline wealth that sustains your life. Long-term income does not respond to short, panicked bursts of visualization. It responds to end-range resistance. Most people are stuck at a specific financial ceiling, let's say $4,000 a month, because their daily environment is perfectly predictable. They wake up at the exact same time, look at the same screens, experience the same low-level anxiety, and go to sleep. To break this ceiling, you must introduce a deliberate shift at the end range of your day. Right before you close your eyes, when your brain waves are naturally dropping into that highly suggestible state, right before sleep, you must push your mind to the absolute edge of what feels realistic for you. If 4,000 is your comfort zone, you must mentally command 40,000 with absolute neutrality. Do not fantasize about spending it. Do not imagine buying luxury items. You simply hold the weight of that larger number in your mind against the resistance of your current reality. Exactly like holding a heavy weight at the peak of a muscle contraction. You force the subconscious blueprint to stretch and adapt to the new load. When I was trapped in my own financial panic loop years ago, constantly checking my phone every 10 minutes for an email that would save me, an elite mentor sat me down and gave me a piece of advice that completely altered my trajectory. He looked at me and said, "Stop acting like a servant to the currency. You are pacing the floor like a beggar, waiting for scraps from a master's table. Step back into your sovereignty, command the space, and force the asset to choose your coordinates." That brings us directly to the second line of code. The massive external lever that stabilizes your broadcast, overrides the daily chaos trap, and forces physical reality to bend on your behalf. To seal this frequency and stop chasing the horizon, you must layer your second structural command right now. Speak these 5 simple words out loud into the room. I rest in the end. Notice the immense structural weight of that statement. It is a heavy, sovereign directive. It completely strips away every single ounce of chasing energy, begging energy, and waiting energy left in your body. It informs your mind that you are no longer a hunter lost in the woods looking for prey. You are the lighthouse, and the asset is already navigating its way toward your exact coordinates. You are the destination. Now that your internal baseline is locked in, we have to look at the third vector, clearing out debt blocks. Think of debt exactly like a stiff, frozen joint in your body. If you have a shoulder that is completely locked up, you do not fix it by ignoring it, and you don't fix it by aggressively forcing it past its current limit. If you do that, you just tear the tissue and cause more damage. Most people handle their debt in one of 2 ways. They either ignore the statements completely because it gives them anxiety to look at them, or they frantically obsess over every single penny they owe, which keeps their brain marinating in pure scarcity. Both of these reactions lock the joint completely. To clear this block, you need to use an intermittent pumping motion. Pick 1 day a week. Sit down for exactly 10 minutes, open the numbers, and look at them with flat, robotic neutrality. No sighing, no regret, no anger. Just treat it like pure, dead data on a screen. By looking at the debt without generating a fear response, you physically break the emotional attachment to the past. You pump fresh, neutral energy into that frozen area, allowing the structure to soften up so new money can actually slide in and clear it out. Let us move to the fourth vector, shifting your long-term net worth floor. Have you ever noticed how some people can have a sudden windfall of money, maybe a tax return, a bonus, or a surprise gift? And within 3 weeks, that money is completely gone? Their car breaks down, an appliance leaks, or a sudden emergency pops up that drains the exact amount they just made. That is not bad luck. That is an internal thermostat at work. Your mind has a specific comfort zone for how much money it feels safe holding. If you suddenly get more than that baseline, your subconscious brain actually panics. It views that extra wealth as a strange, unsafe anomaly, so it automatically creates a real-world problem to force you to spend it, just to get you back down to your old comfort level. To break this self-sabotage cycle, you have to get your brain used to holding space. When you get an influx of money, do not immediately think about what bills to pay, what to buy, or where to put it. Let it sit there. Look at the balance every single day and do absolutely nothing with it for 48 hours. Force your nervous system to expand its comfort zone and realize that having a surplus of capital is entirely safe. Let me tell you exactly how this looks when it actually breaks through in the real world. A few months ago, a regular guy named Mark was using these exact principles. He was completely stuck. He was short on his rent, the deadline was exactly 72 hours away, and his logical mind was screaming at him to go out and scramble for extra gig work or borrow money from family. Instead, he stopped the panic loop. He sat on the edge of his bed, took a deep breath, and let go of the chasing energy entirely. He used the exact directives we just established. On day 1, absolutely nothing happened. The physical world looked exactly the same, and his logical mind told him he was wasting his time, but he stayed completely still. On day 2, he received a completely random, out-of-the-blue notification. It wasn't a lottery win. It was a notice from a digital asset platform he had used years ago and completely forgotten about. A small account he thought was closed had processed a backdated adjustment, clearing a non-linear payout straight to his current balance. It wasn't magic. It was a mechanical result of clearing the emotional static so his mind could spot the notification instead of buried emails, allowing the system to route the asset straight to his coordinates. By day 3, the deadline was met, the pressure was gone, and his financial floor had permanently shifted. Now, this entire system fails if you do not understand how to protect it in the real world. You can drop the core directives in the comments, but if you step back into your daily routine and immediately react to your old life, you tear down the structure you just built. To make this change permanent, you must follow a strict 7-day practical protocol. It starts the exact second you open your eyes in the morning. Most people wake up, reach for their phone, and instantly flood their brain with emails, news, and notifications. When you do that, you are letting the outside world dictate your emotional baseline before you even get out of bed. You are instantly clouding the water with reactive static. For the next 7 days, you must implement a strict morning phone lockout. No screens for the first 15 minutes of your day. Instead, walk straight to the mirror, look yourself directly in the eyes, and issue the double command sequence you anchored today. Speak the first line with absolute, flat neutrality. My word is unbreakable. Let that settle in your nervous system for 5 seconds. Feel the weight of it. Then, deliver the second line to lock the frequency down. I rest in the end. Notice the shift in your posture when you say those two phrases together. You are not begging for a miracle. You are stating a fact. You are letting your subconscious mind know that the chasing era is completely over, and you are stepping into absolute alignment. The real test comes during the middle of the day. This is what I call the midday chaos trap. You will be going about your day, and a real-world problem will hit. A bill arrives, an unexpected expense pops up, or someone brings stressful energy into your space. Your survival brain will try to override your blueprint. It will scream at you to panic, to doubt, and to ask yourself if this protocol is even working. When that happens, do not fight the thought. Do not get frustrated with yourself. Simply pause, drop your shoulders, and mentally loop the dual code lines. Remind yourself, my word is unbreakable. I rest in the end. By doing this, You are building immense psychological density. You are teaching your brain to stay completely neutral under pressure, which keeps your internal water crystal clear so the pipeline stays wide open. Most people treat an online comment section like a landfill of random opinions and passing thoughts, but we are doing something entirely different here. We are utilizing the physical act of typing as a kinetic circuit breaker. When you sit in your room and merely think a thought, it remains trapped inside the echo chamber of your own logical mind. It has no weight, it has no physical gravity, but the exact moment your fingers touch a keyboard and you physically manifest those specific characters into the material world, you cross a major psychological boundary. You are translating an internal frequency into a permanent, unchangeable digital print. You are letting the entire system know that you are no longer consenting to the old panic loop. You are stepping completely out of the reactive crowd of people who beg, wish, and scrape for survival, and you are placing your digital signature on a completely new financial timeline. It is a line in the sand. As we close this sequence, I want you to truly look at the comments section below this video. Do not just glance at it, really look at the thousands of other minds who have dropped their anchors today. You need to understand something fundamental here. You are not doing this alone in a vacuum. You are actively plugging your mind into a massive, unified network of neutral confidence. Every single person typing those words is contributing to a collective field of absolute certainty. When you add your print to that grid, your individual signal becomes 10 times stronger. It stops being a quiet thought in your head and becomes a heavy public declaration. If you have already typed, "My word is unbreakable and I rest in the end," your baseline is officially locked into the stone. The contract with your subconscious mind is signed. Your old financial history has just been completely overwritten. From this exact second forward, your only job is to simply hold the hold. Do not look around anxiously, wondering when the results will show up. Do not check your banking app every 20 minutes to see if anything changed yet. That is chasing energy, and we are completely done with that. Let the physical world adjust to your new coordinates. Let the assets navigate their way to you. The machine is already routing the wealth to your exact location, and it cannot miss. Now, this is where the real work begins. In the next integration phase, I am going to break down the exact physical movements you need to make the moment that non-linear payout clears your account. Because when a large sum of unexpected capital suddenly drops into your life, most people panic and handle it completely wrong, which instantly resets their thermostat back to zero. I am going to give you the exact structural blueprint to anchor that new wealth so it never leaves you, to ensure you do not miss that critical integration phase, and to keep your daily momentum completely unbroken over the next 7 days. Make sure you are locked into this channel right now. Do not let your mind slip back into the old, distracted scrolling habit. Keep your focus right here. The baseline is set. The water is entirely clear. The chasing era is officially over. My word is unbreakable. I rest in the end. Hold the posture. I will see you in the next phase.